Well, I decided to end my storm review just as the storm hits us. It's barely drizzling. I'd rate this store a good 9. Y'all missed a bunch of the good lightning strikes. Decided to change the view. Went to another part of my yard. Yes. Perfect to end the video on, but I'm gonna wait a little longer. Perfect ending would be for me to be struck by lightning. That would be awesome. But I'm not gonna wait that long. Hope to make more videos. I don't know if I'll have time though. Starting to get a little wet by the rain. Been a very relaxing evening. Wait for one more good strike. Feel a good one building up. Just wait. Hopefully we'll get some sound. Nice big crack. Come on. It was a nice big one. Guess I could do a quote of the day. Let me think of one. Alright. Takes a man to cry, but it takes a bigger man to laugh at that man. Pretty good. Hope y'all use it. Come on. One more nice lightning strike. Damn, that was nice. I want to end on a bang though. It's probably going to be a lot of fast forwarding in these videos, if anybody watches them. I hope a couple people do. Not sure if I'm the first to review a Thunderstorm or not. Thought it'd be kind of cool though. Yeah. No sound though. Wait one more minute. Hopefully I won't run out of memory space. Yes. That was awesome. Too bad it was to the right. And there we go. I'll end it at that. Nice loud bang. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I did. Of course, I got to experience the whole thing.